Look at our mango tree.
Imain na, imain. Libre na, libre na tayo.
So that our snake board can climb onto. One na. Lagi kami. For sure. And it's raining. Huh? It's a windy day.
Tuma dito.
Ito nga, iisa niya na ito. Ito na ito. Baara mo panak-panak niyo. There's a butterfly. A butterfly. Alright, so we decided that we are gonna go make a trellis that's gonna go across our concrete yard. It's for this snake gourd that we have, or we call it binitin ampalaya, because it's a long kind of a gourd, but it's not bitter like the bitter gourd, but it's called snake gourd because it kind of looks like a snake when it's hanging. It's so long and it's delicious. And we also need trellis for this winged beans, or as we call it, garbanzos beans, and we already got some coming, and I'm so excited to be able to harvest our own garbanzos beans and cook it. It's delicious, you guys. And since we don't really use we don't use chemicals at all or any kind of pesticides. So the worms have gotten to it already. And there's Papa working hard building our trellis for our vegetables. Thank you, Papa. Oh, that's going to be good. We have some butterflies.
Ikot na lang ito ngayon. Kalapit siya. Mari kayo lagi. May slide ako nagdiklapit siya. Ayaw. Magkasap kayo kay kita. Ganito biga. Okay na. Napay-babag pa naman ako.
Babag. Para ano siya sa
Napay-babag. Ngayon ito. Ito ang galang bro eh. Galang pa. Galang pa.
Isang salot siguro pa. Go down, up. Yeah, salsal ba? Dili inang kuan ra. Muro siya banig ba? Let's get in there.
na, may senyo ba magway, espiritong lawas na.
Para mag na-pensioner kung senior na wala mo dyan. Balik yung Roya. Ano ba eh? Maulaman naman mo ito.
Bahala eh.
Na, nakita.
Bang, garbanso to ka ng
Binitin.
apalaya.
Katong binitin na iba.
Kahon mo eh. Init mo ka ng kuwanggod. Sumid to.
Pwede siguro ito. Pwede pumilitan.
Gusto nga. Ano mo yung pwede ba? May tumas. Kuma. Nga ka na. Nga diha mo na magkagisi yan.
Hindi nga, mana. Kanit rin. Hindi ka maganda. Para makaagit pa kasi na.
Yun, wala pa ito. Diskarte na. Bali ang donasyon mo. Ah. Siguro ako. Sangit.
Well, hello everyone. Good morning. So it is 3 days later since we made our trellis. Can't see it well, but anyway. So we made that vertical vegetable trellis out of free materials that we have laying around our yard because we do not have the budget to make it all that pretty and Instagrammable one. But we'll use what we have laying around, and the most important thing is we have that for our snake cord and our cigarillas or garbanzos to climb onto. And the birds have also given us, right on that corner, the birds have given us I think that is calabasa or squash. So if that survives, then it will have a trellis to climb onto. So plus we also have kai or ganas, like the kamote tops. It's gonna be loaded once everything's growing. All of our vegetables are growing, and it's exciting because it's gonna be, once it's all filled with all the vegetables up there, that trellis, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna give shade to my to our little garden patch right there. So it's exciting. It's a simple thing, but it makes us happy and it makes us excited that we made that one. And then we're waiting for all our vegetables to grow, and hopefully we get lucky. There will be some fruits dangling on that trellis. So anyway, we made that. You can't see it well, but it's right there. And our garbanzos is already growing. See? It's already hanging on to that trellis. It's a good one. Yeah, it's exciting. It's gonna be shaded. It's gonna be a shady area here once. It'll be once all the vegetables are growing. It's gonna look nice. Yes, again, it's not pretty and it's not Instagrammable, but it's very useful. It's very useful once all of the vegetables are grown. So anyway, thank you everyone. If you made it this far, and if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again next time on our next vlog. Hopefully another ocean vlog or Panginhas or Panulok vlog, but this time we just don't have the time to go there. Everything's expensive, gasoline's expensive. We have to travel there like 30 minutes to get there, you know, because we don't live in that small fishing village. And so hopefully we'll have another ocean vlog next time. But until then, we'll see you. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.